Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Idala Farah. I am from Chinese A. In this next occasion, I will talk about history of Islamic civilization, the development of Islamic civilization in early Islam. The stage of Islamic civilization in the beginning Islamic civilization has strong roots in early Islamic story. In the 7th century AD, Islam emigrated in Mecca with the birth of the Prophet Muhammad within a few years. Islam developed rapidly and became a significant force in Arabia. Prophet migration Muhammad to Medina. This hijrah was a turning point in Islamic history and the beginning of establishment of the first Islamic state in Medina. The Prophet Muhammad built strong Muslim community and regulate relations between Muslim and non-Muslim through the Constitution of Medina. Expansion of civilization Islam. The conquest and spread of Islam brought social, political, and cultural change in various regions such as Persia, Egypt, and Spain. Islam civilization reached the peak of its glory with the construction of magnificent cities such as Baghdad, Cordoba, and Cairo. Scientific and intellectual contribution. Muslim scholars at the time developed and studied various scientific disciplines, including mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and philosophy. Their work became the basis for the development of science in the Western world. Arab people before Islam. The civilization of the Arab in the pre-Islamic era is proof that the Arab had a different culture before Islam came. In condition politics, in the pre-Islam period, the political situation of the Arab nation was divided, not recognizing unity or central leadership. There are several tribes that are formed. And in the cultural condition, before Islam came, the Arab people were known for having diverse culture. We can see that in terms of language, the language of the Arab people is known to be very developed because only Arabic has escaped translation. Condition religious. In condition religious, Arab worship idol and statues that are considered God. This deviation is called wasania. And in condition economy, the Arab nation is a nation famous for its trade, a sort of income obtained by the Arab nation through trade and usages. The time of the Prophet and his struggle. By the age of 1 year, he was used to meditation in the Hira cave. On the 17th of Ramadan, 611 AD, Allah's first revelation came down, namely Surat Al-Alaq. With the revelation of the first revelation, it means that Muhammad had been caused by Allah as the prophet. After the first revelation came, Jibril did not appear again for some time. This is known as the revelation period. The name is Fatrah al-Wahyu. Meanwhile, the Prophet Muhammad looked forward to it and always came to Hira's cave. It was in the stage of fighting a revelation come down that book ordered to him, namely Surat Al-Mudathir. With the revelation, Allah determines the state of work that must be undertaken. Prophet dakwah in Mecca over dakwah method. The first, pressing secretly. The closed or secret dakwah method, namely a method used by the Prophet when his dakwah began, the communication or delivery of religious music face to face from heart to heart, uh, or face to face communication with an individual, especially this family and close friend will become target. And the second dakwah method of over dakwah, namely of method used by the Prophet in conveying his message of dakwah by using open communication and guidance, such as by means of oration about divine values, visiting an individually or group, or send a letter. Uh, and then some of the factors that cause the disbelief of the Christ were very opposite to the prophet praising. The first, there is a competition for power influence between Bani Hashim and Bani Umayyah. The second, the Christ invite were worried about the followers of the Islamic religion dominate the economy and trade. And last, the Christ disbelievers still want to define the belief of their ancestors who have come down the grace. The end of the persecution of Muslims. The act of persecution ended when the Prophet and the Muslims migrated to Medina. This incident occurred when several residents of Yathrib visited in Mecca 621 AD. One of the results of this meeting was that there was an agreement among the residents of Yathrib who visited Mecca. They declared themselves to embrace Islam and they promised to in the promise obey all Islamic teaching. This agreement is known by Sunnah. This was the first bay'ah that the people of Yazid made to Rasulullah. In the following year, the people of Yazid came again to Rasulullah and declared their Islam. The second meeting was known as Bay'ah Kubra because there were more than at the first meeting. The residents of Yazid wanted Prophet ﷺ to move to Yazid and they promised Allah's help, protect and defend the Prophet in his pressing to spread Islam. The Prophet ﷺ accepted their invitation and instructed his companions to emigrate to Yazid. After receiving revelation from Allah in Surah Al-Anfal, verse 30, the Prophet followed and moved to Yazid with Abu Bakr. This hijrah event occurred in 622 AD and marked the end of the period of preaching in Mecca during the time of the Prophet. The conclusion of this presentation is that it discussions the history of Islamic civilization from its early beginning in Mecca in the 7th century AD with the birth of the Prophet Muhammad. After the migration to Medina, Islam began to form the first Islamic state and regulate relations between Muslim and non-Muslim through the Constitution of Medina. Islamic civilization reached its peak with the construction of magnificent cities such as Baghdad, Cordoba, and Cairo, and significant contribution in various scientific disciplines. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.